December 7th, 52%, 8:50 p.m. Got another software update, but before I do the software update, I just want to let everybody know, today I hit 25 million views on YouTube, on my YouTube channel. 25 million views for somebody who is a nobody. I'm not even famous. So to reach 25 million is a humongous thing. It is not easy, and it took way too long. 3,000 uploads, 25 million views, and I've only got 37,000 subscribers, which, you know, to me, it's just heartbreaking. The amount of time that I have put into this channel, and it is so hard for somebody to click subscribe. I know I'm not posting all the cool stuff like everybody wants to see, but I've got 25 million views, so obviously people are watching. I don't know. It's just, it's tough. It's tough that as a YouTube creator, you struggle to make your channel grow, and you post a ton of stuff. And unless you're some creator that is posting a lot of stuff like cleaning toilets or poop in the sewers or collecting bees or all the other junk that's out there, nobody wants to subscribe. So I'm kind of upset, but you know, that's life on YouTube. So we're going to do a famous software update number 26 for the Samsung S21 Ultra 5G. I know nobody's going to watch this video, but honestly, I don't really care right now after getting to 25 million and seeing that I can't even get more than 37,000 subscribers. Yeah, what can you say? All right, so we're going to install this now. What did I say? We're at 52%. We're starting at like 852. When I had my BlackBerry, I used to tell you what all the updates were for. But with the Samsung, they really don't list all that stuff, and nobody really even watches it, so why bother? Yeah, that's it. Why bother? Okay, this is a system update. It's not really a major upgrade. Just probably security things, security updates. And then they do the optimization thing. So I'm sure nobody's watching this video. Nobody's watching any of the other videos. I've got my 25 million views, but unbelievable. I don't know how the heck I got that far on YouTube and can't get subscribers. It's almost shocking when people say, are you kidding? You've got a video that's got 5 million views and you've got no likes, hardly any likes on it. It's real. It is. It's unbelievable. So, what can I say? We're at 2 minutes and 55 seconds. We're already doing the install. We've already done the download. We're doing the install. I got a whole bunch of, what are they? I guess it's videos that I shot with the cell phone, which I don't shoot video with the cell phone. But I just looked, and I've got a whole bunch of plane spotting videos that I must have shot, I don't know when, because I just don't do that on the cell phone. I usually live stream, or maybe I posted them and I just didn't delete them. I don't know, but I'm going to go connect the phone after I finish doing this upload. And I'll go post. I'll post more videos so that people can watch them and not subscribe. And that's life. I know with YouTube, you got to beg, you got to be cool, you got to beg and set up membership channels and beg people to give you donations while you're streaming live. That's where you make the money, the live streaming and just the junk. Eating lots of extra food, digging out bee hornets' nests, plumbing, unplugging toilets, poop coming out of the sewer line, live streaming a bunch of garbage that most people don't understand why anybody's watching. That's where the money's at. Replaying a bunch of news, political news, and giving your opinion. So, doing cool stuff like this, watching this guy with a little blue thing spinning on his stomach, nobody cares. Even the shorts. I post a bunch of shorts. Sometimes I get 2,000 views. Sometimes I get 5 views. I go out to do a live stream. Maybe I'll get 1,000 or 3,000, or maybe I'll get 10 views. So it's rough out there. With the shorts, it all depends on if YouTube wants to put it in the shorts feed. Sometimes they do. Sometimes they don't. And the people that view your stuff regularly, either they watch it or they don't. And so you have almost no control over it. unless you live stream and you get a zillion people to subscribe. That's when you can milk them for the money. And believe me, you can milk them for the money. They just shell out the bucks. I don't know why. I have no idea why people donate on here, except for if you give them advice to fix something and they save a lot of money. But I've got a whole bunch of fix-it videos on here, fixing toilets, fixing the plumbing in the shower, and people write to me and say, thanks, bud, you saved me $300, or the plumber wanted a couple $100. Nobody wants to do a $5 donation. I've even got a PayPal link in there. Nobody wants to do it. You save them big bucks, they won't do it. But you broadcast a bunch of garbage, just total garbage, and they're shelling out the money. Unbelievable. It's just, from my perspective, because I've been doing this for so many years, it's you just shake your head and go, yep. It's not that the system's against you. It's that unless you feed people junk on YouTube, they're not watching. Same thing with Facebook, the Reels, the Instagram, the Reels, the stuff on there it's so lame. Did you see what I just saw in the video? Watch it 3 more times, you'll see it. And there's nothing to see. There's so much garbage on Facebook Reels. There's a lot of garbage on YouTube Shorts. There's a ton of garbage on YouTube Shorts. But nothing like Facebook Reels. Wow, this has taken forever to process. We're only 6 minutes in. 7 minutes almost. But posting videos on YouTube, it is a tough world out there. If you're a celebrity, you're going to bring in the bucks. If you get a verified account, you're going to bring in the dollars. If you get 100,000 subscribers, which I've been trying for so long, like I said, I've been doing this for like 7, 8 years, maybe longer. I've got 37,000 subscribers, and I get comments all the time with people saying, why don't you have enough subscribers? Why don't you have more? And then those people are not even subscribing. Or people will write to me and say, hey, I just subscribed, and I look, and no, they didn't subscribe. But they lied anyway. So it's a tough world out there in this creator land, depending on what you post. There is some kid out there, I think he's probably like 9 or 10 years old now. I believe he's the richest YouTuber out there. He does reviews of kids' toys, and his parents have the account, but he's monetized through his parents. And he is making hundreds of thousands a year. He's got multiple millions of views. But that thing's bringing in a ton of money. Artists, people that play shorts, people that play, what are those things? Covers. You can't really profit off of a cover. People that write their own music. I don't know. People that do guitar lessons and sign up on their website. They might be bringing in the money. It's really hard to say. But the people that are getting the views, if you really watch YouTube and study, the people that go into restaurants and overeat a ton of food, they've got millions of views. They're bringing in big bucks. The live streamers, they're making a living. They are literally making a living off of people in the world that are just donating money. Like, everybody says the economy's falling apart, we have inflation. These people are donating every day because they get an emoji because they're a member of something. I don't know. It's just nuts. Thankfully, I don't have to do that in my life. So while it's pretty sad for me to see that I can't do better on this channel, in the end, I don't really care because my life is fine and I'm happy and I don't depend on YouTube for my living and I would never want to depend on YouTube for my living. And the crazy thing is, when you look at a lot of people that depend on YouTube for a living, the ones that started out and ended up becoming influencers, lots of emotional problems, lots of mental breakdowns, and I can tell you, I watch a lot of live stream out there, and a lot of the live streaming that I'm watching right now, these people have serious ego problems, they've got serious maturity problems, they're narcissists, they use people, they take advantage of people, it's a game for them. So YouTube, when you really make it big, is a tough world out there. It's like being a celebrity, a kid celebrity, it just messes up. It can really mess up your life. It can feed your paycheck. I mean, it can feed your bank account. But study the personality of people that are doing really good on YouTube. They've got some serious cuckoo problems. It's all ego. It's all about me. They call themselves by their first name. They talk in third party. And that's how you know somebody's got some issues, when they call themselves by their first name and talk about themselves. The people that are doing makeup videos, the people that are doing fashion videos, these people have some serious issues out there, some real serious issues. So it's kind of like a catch-22. If you do good, you probably are going to pay for it mentally or emotionally down the line. And if you don't do good, then you just make videos like this and you say, hey, why can't I get to 100,000 subscribers? All right, so we've done a 10-minute video, 11-minute video. I've been rambling. I don't know why this thing's taken so long. It's just taking forever. Usually it doesn't take this long to do an update. So, but it's good. The advantage of YouTube and having a channel, I was just able to do this video and vent. Hello, hello. That's Verizon. Yes, I've got a really good plan on this thing. I have an unlimited, what's it called? It's an unlimited plan. I pay next to nothing on this thing. I get unlimited text, unlimited message, unlimited calls, unlimited tethering, unlimited Wi-Fi. I can max this thing out where people would be paying hundreds of dollars a month. And my account costs me $40. I'm not going to tell you how I got it, but my account cost me $40. So, for all that unlimited stuff, which is just nuts. So that's why I don't mind keeping my little Verizon account. We're optimizing the apps right now. I know it's a little out of focus because I'm really close. I'm going to be making a stand for the cell phone. If I ever get off my butt and get the saw out, I've got the wood over here. I'll be show you how to make a stand for your cell phone with a little piece of wood. Nobody's going to watch it. Nobody's going to subscribe. But I'm still going to make the video. I'm just trying to catch up on life. I've got so much. When you got a parent and you got to take care of the parent and watch out for them, which is my situation. I visit my mom every day at her house. I bring her food. I make sure that she gets to her doctor's appointments. I make sure she's healthy and she's alive and she's taking her pills and her medicine and eating. And, you know, life is tough. It's not easy doing that stuff for somebody. So I put a lot of time into that, a lot of time into taking care of the dog. And then I also post a massive amount of video and try to take care of my own life and stay happy. Okay, so we're almost done. Emergency calls only. 49%. I think we started out like 52. I don't know why this thing went blank. What do we have here? Oh my God. So we're finishing up the update. Oh my God, why does this thing keep shutting off? I don't know why it does that. It's not supposed to do that. It's not supposed to do that. Let's go scroll down. There we go. You got the finishing up the update. So this is about a 12, 13, 14-minute video that absolutely no one's going to watch. And I know you're going to say if I would make better content, maybe people would subscribe. As I said, 25 million views. People are watching. People are watching. So we started out, what, like 850? Did I say 850, 852 or something? So we've only used about 3 or 4%. Google Play system, downloading. I don't use, oh yeah, I guess I do. So this is a really long update. And I'll go look at the analytics. Well, I probably won't look at the analytics. If I looked at the analytics, it would probably tell me that the average view of this video was about 20 seconds. Like 10 people watched it, 20 seconds. And maybe YouTube will say, in a week, they'll say that I made a penny. It's pretty funny doing this stuff, I'll tell you. No notifications. That's good. Are we done yet? Probably not. What the heck is this doing? Okay, I'm checking my patch out. It says October 1st. That can't be right. What's the date, like December something? That can't be right. Well, maybe it is. And there you go. Software update, December 7th. It was applied at 9:05 p.m. Not sure why it's showing October, but I don't really care. Thanks for watching my meaningless video and listening to me ramble. Life is good. Stay safe, stay happy. You got some crazy stuff going on out there in this country. I can't remember what they're calling it, the COVID-19, the flu, and the RSV. The hospitals are filling up. People are really sick, especially kids, because a lot of the kids aren't vaxxed or can't get vaxxed. The ERs in this country are packed. So, all with kids, and now the adults. So it's going to be a pretty scary end of the year holiday for a lot of people out there that think this is a big joke or don't want to protect themselves or their family, so it's your life. Do what you want. See ya. Peace out. Remember, software update was successful. Yes.